My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert in resolution matters. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I get right to the point. My YouTubes are about 5 minutes. I hate to waste your time and my time. Plus, I can convey everything I need to know, give you in that 5 minutes. I'm a national expert in resolution matters. Lucky me. I have been on Fox, ABC, all the major news stations. They're wanting my opinions on different things. So, I love YouTubers. You're kind of like the Home Depot. You're do-it-yourselfers. You're there on Saturday or Sunday, and you're pounding away. Many of you can't afford the services, and I certainly understand that they're not cheap, especially if you use a professional to go ahead and resolve them. Professionals do get good results, but some cases you can just do the stuff yourself. So I try to at least rip the curtain back, show you what IRS insider thinking is, and then give you the information you know. So today, I want to talk to you about what happens if you owe business taxes to IRS. How does that work? Well, let's define business taxes. There's two types of business taxes generally, and that's your corporate taxes, your partnership taxes, or 941 payroll tax cases. So as an agent, if I used to come out and I knocked on a door, my name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a revenue officer with the IRS. I'm here to go ahead and collect your taxes. That day's coming for you. What do you have to do to go ahead and prepare for that date? Can't even tell you how many businesses I banged on. Many, many, many. I want to tell you what's on the inside of what the IRS is thinking. Two things that you can do to make yourself look good. You need to put a white hat on, and there's two things you do. Make sure all your tax returns are up to date. IRS is going to do a full compliance check. They're going to want to make sure your 1040s are up to date and your business is up to date with 941s. Number two, make sure you're current in the quarter you're in. Let's say you owed quarterly taxes for June. Let's say you didn't make a bunch of quarters before that. Start to get current at least in the week or month you're in. Now IRS knows, okay? Now IRS knows, hey, we can deal with this problem. The person's filed their returns, they're current, they're rehabilitative, and I want to work with them. So the next thing IRS is going to do is they're going to take two financial statements. They're going to take, and you can download them, look them over yourself, a 433A personal, 433B business. They're going to take a look at your business financial statement and see how you're running the operations. Are you taking too much money out for yourself? Why aren't the bills being paid? Most people really don't manage their business well. They don't have a good handle on their receivables. They got too many expenses. One thing we do at our firm is we really dive in your business and find out what's going on. But what IRS is going to want, they want to know, do you have excess receivables that they can seize or that you can get? Do you have excess money in the bank? What IRS is going to take a really close look at is page 4. Page 4 is your business income and your business expenses. They're going to want to make sure there's a good balance and that you have enough money coming in to pay your bills. Sometimes I recommend people just go out of business, but you can have to do it cleverly, go out of business. And when you do that, you get off the Titanic. You have to know realistically. I've gone into so many businesses, you just know they're not going to succeed. If this is you, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Get an exit strategy and get out. You're not going to, when the Titanic was sinking, the captain of the ship ordered the orchestra or the musicians to play louder. Sometimes when you're loud, you don't know what's going on. So have someone look at your stuff and see what's going on. But let's say you want to succeed, you want to keep going, you know you could do this, you were just in a bad season, but you can come on. What you do, if you're going to talk to IRS, talk to the revenue officer. By the way, if someone knocks on your door and you owe a lot of tax, don't be doing this by yourself. If it's a small amount of money, do it yourself. Only a professional is going to make you look good because they know what to say. But like I said, you do it yourselfers. If you want to do this, you have to show IRS you're going to have profitability. The problem in working with IRS at this point, you're going to have two payments to IRS you're not used to making. Your current deposit, which you haven't been making, and a back payment to keep going. By the way, IRS offers in compromise to settle your debt if you owe business taxes. IRS can put you on a payment agreement or actually can put you in a non-collectible hardship situation. But the key is, what do your financial statements look at? What do your 433A and what do your 433Bs look at? Well, anyway, that's the shit. Get current. That's the shit. I mean, that's the shape of it. So that's what you got to do. Get current, file all your returns, get those financial statements in order, make sure they make sense to IRS. It's important. And by the way, you get some nice agents and some asshole agents. I don't know what you're going to have, but when you're an asshole, don't work the case yourself. Anyway, listen, I gave you all I could. Hit the subscription button. It's down on the bottom and a like. I really appreciate it. Evidently, YouTube likes that. If not, I stay at the bottom. Listen, leave me a comment. Give me a comment. Have a nice talk. I do appreciate you listening. I know everyone's time is valuable. Thank you.